Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 9a, in which we will learn the makharij of lam, noon and ra. We are learning the makharij using letter poem, and that is with fatha. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Can you repeat? Tongue has many, 12 from the tip.
Tongue has many,
12 from the tip. And we have, repeat, tha, the, tha, the, with actions. Tha, the, ta, ta, the, ta, za, sa, sa, za, sa, sa, and we have la, na, ra that we will learn in this lesson. How do you say la? Touch the tip of the tongue to the upper gums near the root of the teeth, as you see in the picture. La, and you know it. Similarly, na, the same spot, but the sound is coming through the nose. Na. And ra is also from the same spot, but ra has some distinctions that you have to note. Ra or ar. What are those distinctions? Don't say it as ra. Say it ra. Okay? And don't make your lips round. Watch yourself in the mirror. Ra. And don't say it like English ra. Ra. No, not high frequency. Rat. No. Ra. Okay? And also, remember, it should be thick. Ra is thick. Ra is thick. You see the difference between rat and rot? Huge difference. Here the meanings don't change, but it is not nice. You have to say ra as thick. Arabic ra is between Mexican and English ar. Let us practice. Repeat 3 times. Ar, 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 ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru. By the way, ri is thin. Ra and ru are thick. So ra, ri and ru. Repeat. Ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru, ra, ri, ru. Run, rin, run. Run, rin, run. Run, rin, run. Run, rin, run. MashaAllah. Let's take some words. Akbar. Akbar. Every day we say Allahu Akbar, and make sure you say it right. Don't say Akbar. Akbar. Ba is here and ra is there. Bar. Akbar. Akbar. 2 more times. Akbar. Akbar. Sirata. 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 Rihla. Rihla. Ra is thin here. 3 times. Rihla. 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 Nasrullah. 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 That's it for now. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.